In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable confidential mode in Gmail. Whether you're looking to protect sensitive information or send a time-sensitive email, confidential mode is a great feature that can help you control how your emails are accessed. It allows you to set an expiration date for messages and require an SMS passcode for additional security when needed. Let's dive in and see how you can start using this feature today. First, you'll want to open Gmail in your web browser. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the left-hand side of your inbox and click on the Compose button. This will open a new email window where you can begin drafting your message. Go ahead and type your email as you normally would, entering the recipient's email address, subject line, and body content. At the bottom of the Compose window, you'll notice a row of icons. Look for the icon resembling a lock with a clock on it, the confidential mode icon. Clicking this will open up the confidential mode settings. Here you have the option to set an expiration date for your email. This means you can decide how long the recipient will have access to this message. You can choose anything from 1 day to 5 years depending on how long you want the email to remain accessible. Once you've selected the expiration duration, you'll see an option that reads SMS passcode. By clicking on this option, you can ensure that the recipient will need a passcode sent via SMS to open your email. This adds an extra layer of security, especially useful if you're sending sensitive information. With the expiration date and security settings in place, go ahead and click on the Save button to confirm your changes. Your email is now ready to send in confidential mode. To briefly summarize, confidential mode in Gmail is an excellent tool for any user who needs to send emails with sensitive or temporary information. By setting an expiration date, you ensure that your email will only be available for a limited time. Moreover, the option for SMS passcode-based access adds a strong security layer, keeping your information safe from unintended viewing. Incorporating this into your email routine can help protect against unauthorized access and ensure that your messages reach only those intended. So next time you want to add an extra layer of security to your email, remember how to enable or disable confidential mode in Gmail by following these straightforward steps. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.